My love, I was given the best word of advice by a gentleman who knew we were joining our union, and he said, the best thing for you to do is love her more than she could ever love you.
I will protect your soul and shield your heart. I will remember and cherish for the good, the bad, and the beautiful mess that led us to this very moment. Mahdi, I love you, and I will not disappoint you.
My love.
You by far are the greatest return on any investment. I love you.
All friends enter your life for a reason and some for a season. But then there are some friends who you know are special blessings.
I was like, wow, this could actually really work though, because they have similar character traits in that they love very, very deeply. They're always there for each other.
You're either going to stay in love or in jail.
Whatever she sets her mind to, she does this with thoroughness and excellence. It's how she became a producer, a contractor, a reality TV star, an interior designer, a Zumba instructor, a bartender, a wedding planner, and now a wife.
Today, without question, I choose you. I vow not to be, when it comes to you, the Melissa with too much pride, the Mel with zero accountability, the Melissa that just really does not give up, and I ain't got time for this. Because I owe you that and so much more. Your persistence and unyielding love for me has allowed me to stop holding my breath and just breathe.
We pray and we bless this union right now, because under your name, Lord, you said that this couple is yours.
If you live a good life, you'll meet good people. But at some point, if the universe wishes it, you'll meet the best people. And Mahdi and Mel are the best people.
Better than the best man, my brother Mahdi and Mel. You guys are wonderful. I love you guys, and I wish you the best. Love you.
Everything that I'm going to do, I'm going to try my best, I promise you, to do whatever I can to avail myself to you and love you more than you can ever love me.
You look beautiful. Great. You look amazing.